Hey, everybody! Let's meet our new friend, Yawning Yak. Yawning Yak starts with Y. 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 Can you say why? Why? Great job! Next, let's learn the Yawning Yak pose. Follow me. Y. Y. Yawning Yak. Y. Y. Yawning Yak. Can you do it? Y. Y. Yawning Yak. Great job! Next, let's write big Y. Follow me. 1, 2, 3. Y. Y. Yawning Yak. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Y. Y. Yawning Yak. Great job! Next, let's write little y. Follow me. 1, 2. Y. Y. Yawning Yak. One more time. 1, 2. Y. Y. Yawning Yak. Great job! Who is it? Y. Y. Yawning Yak. Y. 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 Yawning Yak. Y. Let's say goodbye to Yawning Yak. Bye-bye, Yawning Yak. See you next time.